Earn $10, $20, $30 daily using this site that I'm about to introduce to you. You can reach this significant daily income. Hello my dear friends, welcome to a new video on earning dollars with a mobile phone. As you can see, I have withdrawn 81 TRX or digital currency TRX, which you can see in front of you. As I have previously introduced this site to you and have made a good income from it, you can use this site to withdraw again and again, increase your income, and achieve financial independence. monetization. To register on this exciting site, you take the site link from the video description, click on it, and then click on the first option to enter your username. In the second section, you enter your email address and and in the third and fourth sections, which are related to each other, you enter a similar password. Then click on the CAPTCHA options, solve the CAPTCHA, and click on the sign up option to enter the site. As you can see, if you click on the faucet option, you can increase your dollar income completely free from the faucet section and withdraw up to 30 TRX daily. You can withdraw the TRX digital currency and have it in your Trust Wallet, Faucet Pay, or any other exchange you have. From the miners section, guys, you can easily increase your income significantly more, and with one click I withdrew nearly 5 TRX on my, which you can see before your eyes that my 13 TRX turned into 17 TRX and my withdrawal of nearly 5 TRX. From this section was with 3 clicks. The other sections have various games that you can try out and experience a much higher dollar income from the other games on this site. However, my suggestion to you is that most of the games on this site, guys, are nonsense and are really not suitable for earning dollar income. The best part of this site is the game I mentioned to you, exactly the miners and faucet game, from which you can earn a very good income. This is a special section I had prepared for you. Fates? I decided to share it so you can earn a significant dollar income through this site. So, the next part I want to explain to you is what you need to do in the withdrawal or deposit section. First, we go to the surveys section to solve various tasks and duties, and we earn a substantial income through it. This section you are seeing is the digital marketing quest or affiliate program or referral system, whatever you choose to call it. We are in that section and we simply take our referral link to easily increase our income through it. At the top, if you click on the red wallet option, you can make your withdrawal and use the deposit or withdraw section. I absolutely do not recommend using the deposit section because it is very risky and you need to know risk and capital management. However, click on the withdraw section, enter your Tron address in the first field and the minimum withdrawal amount of this site, which is 15 Tron, in the second field, and then click on the withdraw option. Your withdrawal is done this easily and will be deposited into your Trust Wallet, Faucet Pay, PayPal, or any other exchange you have in less than 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video. If you need any information, ask me in the comments and I will respond to you in a matter of seconds. I love you all very much, and until the next video, goodbye.